6 on Wednesdays till 4:30 if you all want to come play a game or come to one of our movie nights sometime. We're doing Studio Ghibli next week, Spirited Away.
Hello, I'm Jackson Hurd. I'm the Vice President of Tabletop Gaming. One thing I truly enjoyed about Tabletop is it was a safe place you could come together as just a huge crew. We offer many different types of games. We offer board games, we offer card games like Pokemon, Magic the Gathering, Yu-Gi-Oh!
I sponsor Volunteer High School's Tabletop Gaming Club. The Tabletop Gaming Club meets weekly on Wednesdays and provides students an opportunity to play games, make new friends, and get their feet wet playing things like Dungeons and Dragons or Magic the Gathering for the first time. We offer movie screenings, Mario Kart tournaments, Mario Party tournaments, various Switch games on top of our traditional boarding card